Good evening, everyone, and welcome back. Here's a look from South Fargo, our Coronado cam, looking at those severe thunderstorms off to the north and east in Minnesota. You can see those towering cumulus clouds, and that's producing some severe weather tonight. So our first alert weather day continues, not only for the excessive heat that many of us are dealing with, but now with that severe weather threat through the early morning of tomorrow. So here's what we're looking at right now with scattered thunderstorms developing. We've got one severe thunderstorm warning right now. Let's take a closer look in at this one here. This has a considerable risk for large hail and damaging winds. We're looking at potentially 2-inch diameter hail and damaging gusts up to 70 miles per hour. This warning goes until 5 p.m. tonight and includes portions of Pennington, Polk, and Red Lake. Lots of thunder and lightning with this storm as well, and a couple of storms developing outside of this warned area as well. So here's what we're looking at in terms of hail. The brighter green colors, that's indicating hail up around 1.5 inches in diameter, and this is just radar estimated. We did get a viewer photo. We're working on getting that one in right now, so we'll be able to show you here soon. But if this holds together, it's currently moving to the north and east around 40 to 50 miles per hour, making its way to the Thief River Falls area here in just a couple of minutes. So get ready for large hail and gusty winds. Grigla by around 4:53 this evening. And we have additional storms that are developing and continuing to move in. We have some showers in the Northern Valley and some severe weather down in the James River Valley at this hour as well. Here's what we're looking at for the rest of our afternoon and evening. We've got a level 3 out of 5 risk for severe weather in this large swath shaded in orange. Tornadoes possible, large hail, very damaging winds up to 80 miles per hour, and localized flash flooding. So let's break down the individual risks here. The areas that you see in green, that's a low tornado risk, but the areas in brown, Fargo included down towards Ellendale, an isolated tornado risk. So 1 or 2 tornadoes will be possible, and our storm chaser Eric Whitehill just got here. He will be heading out and getting on the road here momentarily. He'll be heading down into southeastern North Dakota to keep his eye on that tornado threat for us. So a couple of tornadoes will be possible, and the best potential will be here just within the next couple of hours with these earlier developing storms. This is round 1 of 2 rounds that are expected. The hail threat, we've got an elevated to enhanced risk of significant hail. That's large hail up to 2 or more inches in diameter. And that wind threat is something that we are concerned about, an elevated to enhanced risk for significant wind gusts up to 80 miles per hour. So some very strong and damaging winds are on tap and expected for tonight. Here's what you need to know tonight in your hour-by-hour forecast. This round 1 will be developing and is developing now and through the next couple of hours. This is the best chance for that 2-inch hail, few tornadoes, gusts up to around 60 to 70 miles per hour, and flash flooding. This continues for a couple more hours before round 2 develops late tonight, primarily around 9-10 o'clock tonight, and this is when the main threat becomes those straight line winds where we could see those gusts in excess of 80 miles per hour, and a few showers and storms continue to the north for your Tuesday morning. Tomorrow is also the first day of summer, and we'll finally get a break from this excessive heat. 82 but windy for tomorrow. We do have more heat on the horizon. Thursday and Friday we're expecting temperatures in the 90s again, with some chances for some thunderstorms. Stacy.
A lot to watch for tonight. We'll check in again with Summer in just a minute. Thanks, Summer.
Yes.
Well, next